All right, guys, 2023 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote, beautiful car. It's only got 350 miles on it, guys. My man was watching our videos. He's like, I gotta bring it down, and he ordered a X-pipe. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Anyways, there's the factory converters. They're in there. Then what we did, he brought his own MBRP midsection, deletes the resonator and replaces it with an X-pipe, as you guys can see there. The link to that will be in the description. And here is the part number on it, right there. It fit perfectly, no problems. It's for a 2015 on up Mustang GT resonator bypass. We'll have a link for it in the description in place of the resonator, okay? The resonator usually comes from all the way here. It clamps on here, and then it clamps down here. And we always tack the clamps just to be on the safe side so they don't rattle off or get loose. Just gives it a little bit more security right there, as you guys can see. Then it's ran 2.5 all the way back, and it's got the valves on it on one side right there and there. So they open up in certain modes. Got the valve exhaust, becomes straight pipe basically. The resonator that was on it was right there. It's a dual in, dual out. You have to cut it off the vehicle. It comes welded, okay? So you have to cut it off. And then we installed the new one, as you guys can see there. Came out absolutely beautiful. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you're in the area, come holler at us for all your exhaust needs, or just come and say hi. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Mustang GT, he is in the Air Force, so we appreciate his service also, guys. Always thank a soldier, veteran, always thank a service member. So it's only got 350 miles. We're not gonna rev it too hard. We're just gonna rev it to like 3,000 RPM. 3,000. So you guys can hear it. Get a huge difference. Still breaking in. Here's sound decibels. I would say about 100 at 4,000. Again. You guys hear on the inside. MBRP X-pipe. Resonator delete. Still break-in period, guys, so we didn't get on it too hard. That sounds good.